Welcome to Girls World! What are you eating? Hot dog inside a bagel. Yeah.
Okay, hot dogs. So it's the hot dog. The hot dogs. I'm like here for
It's just the pressure.
hot dogs. Look at hot dogs.
Delicious.
His feet is moving too. He's happiest when he's on the flight. He loves flying.
It does. Today was very interesting. Looking out the window, right? Most ever. Never seen much yet. That's so exciting.
This is your 20th time, Patrick,
The last flight.
to fly. He's always fascinated on the window, except when he's like sleeping.
Fish in a boat? Are we allowed to?
There's the beginning of Venice, guys. Nice.
Our first coffee here in Venice. What
First
did you
coffee,
get? What
first
did we
snack,
get?
first food. Red velvet muffin.
Red velvet muffin. What is this?
I don't know what that is. It looked kind of interesting.
And Patrick chose this one?
Yeah, he did. He chose the one.
What? Did you choose this? Why?
Because it looks funny.
It looks funny. Let's have a cheers.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna
Okay. Cheers here in Venice. We could have another cup of coffee. Patrick said he wants to try it first.
Okay.
I want to slice it.
I think it's a hard biscuit. Let me see. I think it's a hard biscuit. You need to like do this, like cut it like that.
Ew.
Yeah, and you need to bite on it. On the side.
Unfortunately, there's no teeth in
It's
the
a
front.
biscuit.
So you gotta eat everything on the side of the mouth. That's why his face always gets covered in,
That's why
in
it's always
chocolate
like
or
one side.
white. This one's got sugar on it. Yep. What are you gonna do, right? You know, you gotta live.
Can you give me a try?
Who
Can you
cares?
try it?
Who cares what anyone thinks?
Let me
Got a
try.
little bit of icing sugar on my face or chocolate. Yep. How is it, Pat?
Good.
a good part.
Now it's time to try this.
Oh. Don't drop that. That's the best part. The muffin top. Everyone wants the muffin top.
Yeah, let me try it too.
Fight for that.
This is my first time I think for a red velvet. I'm not sure. Looks moist, that's why I get it.
Yes, it does look very nice on the top. Oh, Patrick, careful. No, no. He's just gonna drop it. Yep, there you go.
This is actually good.
That looks nice.
Hi.
Hello.
Maybe they will open later.
So I saw the little figurine of Santa.
Is that a restaurant?
بنصور حتى الوقت صورة جماعية الله يخليك.
Power code. What's that power code, Jenna? What's that power What's the name of that tower?
This is the bridge up there. It's called the Rialto Bridge.
What
Well-
he's interested about is the
It's a world famous bridge, Patrick.
What?
World famous bridge. The Rialto Bridge.
What's the code? Rialto Bridge. Don't get at me. Rialto Bridge figurine better.
Rialto Bridge figurine, he says. Going up, going up.
Non fa quello, quindi mai non era. No,
This is nice.
Here, Mama. Here.
Thank you.
Our first meal, bread. We decided to go for the bread today.
We're here at La Patatina. Oh, I thought you said you don't want to eat dinner. Someone said earlier he don't want to have dinner. He just want to go home and be on his
Look what they have. Look.
be on his fluffy bed. But look at him now. What do we got? Oh, some like little stuff in there. How was it, kid?
Good.
Good.
Here, nice mantafina.
You're putting so much of
I was looking at the
chili
coconut.
oil. Look at the kid.
Ooh, nice mantafina.
What is it?
Nice mantafina.
Look at me. Wow. Margarita. It's called margarita
Picture of that.
pizza.
I like to make more mantafina.
How was it? Good? Yeah. You love it? Well, at least you're happy. That's what matters.
Is it a good pizza? Good.
I mean, I can tell how much I say.
Okay.
Yeah? Oh, yeah?
Balance. Yin yang. Okay, your father.
Mm.
First dinner here in Venice. You put so much oil. Is it chili oil?
We're having oil with pizza.
Chili oil. Chili
How was it?
oil. Chili oil.
Good.
Okay?
Yes, thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Nice.
Cheese put on my pasta.
Enjoy.
My pizza has a bunch of cheese too.
Look at you, huh? Say cheese.
Cheese.
You're eating cheese. You should say cheese.
Cheese.
Good boy.
It's really good.
Is it? Looks really
Very
nice,
cheesy
huh?
too. Yeah.
Oh, good. Look at me. Oil with pizza. Which is my favorite.